Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learning Class, the place where your English journey becomes exciting, powerful, and unforgettable.
Yes, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Hannah, and today we're taking you into the heart of one of the most thrilling sports experiences in the world.
That's right. Today you are not just learning English, you are stepping into a live baseball battle.
Feel the energy, hear the crowd, imagine the moment.
Because today's epic matchup is between the legendary New York Yankees and the unstoppable San Francisco Giants. Baseball fire emoji.
Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine walking into a massive stadium under bright lights. The air is buzzing, fans are cheering loudly. You can hear the crack of the bat echoing across the field.
This is what we call an electrifying atmosphere. Repeat after me. Electrifying atmosphere.
An electrifying atmosphere means the environment is full of excitement, tension, and energy. The stadium had an electrifying atmosphere before the match began.
Let's take this moment to build your advanced vocabulary. Anticipation, a strong feeling that something exciting is about to happen. Intensity, the level of energy or seriousness. Momentum, the force that keeps something moving forward.
Repeat after me. There is a sense of anticipation in the stadium. The game is full of intensity. The team is gaining momentum.
On one side, we have the iconic New York Yankees, a team known for dominance, confidence, and legacy.
And on the other, the fearless San Francisco Giants, a team that thrives under pressure and never backs down.
Let's learn a powerful phrase. Thrive under pressure, meaning to perform well in difficult situations. And here we go. The pitcher winds up, throws the ball at incredible speed.
The batter watches carefully, calculates the timing.
Swing.
Crack! The sound echoes across the stadium.
That is what we call a perfect connection between bat and ball.
Let's upgrade your English. Instead of saying, he hit the ball, say, he made a powerful strike. Instead of, people are excited, say, the crowd is roaring with excitement.
The ball is flying high, incredibly high.
The outfielder runs back, jumps.
And he misses it.
It's a home run.
The stadium explodes with cheers.
Listen carefully. The ball soared through the sky like a rocket. The crowd erupted into thunderous applause.
Repeat after me. The ball soared through the sky. The crowd erupted with excitement.
Now, the San Francisco Giants are preparing for their comeback.
They are focused, calm, determined.
New phrase, stage a comeback, meaning to recover and start winning again.
Baseball is not just about power, it's about strategy.
Players must think quickly, react fast, and make smart decisions. The team used a smart strategy to win the game.
The score is now equal.
The tension is rising.
Every movement matters. New phrase, high-stakes moment, a very important and risky situation.
You can feel the pressure. Players are breathing heavily. Fans are silent, waiting, watching.
This is the final inning. Everything depends on this moment.
The Yankees step forward again.
The pitch comes in.
The swing.
And it's gone! Fire explosion emoji.
Another home run.
The New York Yankees take the lead.
What an unforgettable match.
But respect to the San Francisco Giants, they fought bravely. Repeat after us. The match was absolutely thrilling. The team demonstrated incredible resilience. The atmosphere was electrifying. He delivered a Shandar performance.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was absolutely incredible.
What was your favorite moment?
The final home run. It was unforgettable.
To improve your English, listen carefully, repeat loudly, practice daily.
And most importantly, enjoy learning.
Today, you didn't just learn English.
You experienced it.
Through emotion, excitement, and storytelling.
Keep practicing with English Learning Class.
See you in the next lesson.